Let us solve a question on profit maximization in case of monopoly. The cost function of a monopolist is C is equal to 40 plus 12x. C is the cost, x is the quantity. And its demand function is SP is equal to 60 minus 3x. P denotes the price. Find is profit maximizing output level. So we have the demand function, that is P is equal to 60 minus 3x. Also we have the cost function as C is equal to 40 plus 12x. Okay. Now for monopolist, what is the profit maximizing condition? So for monopoly, profit maximization condition is that we equate marginal revenue with marginal cost. So we need to find out these things here, marginal revenue and marginal cost. So we have the inverse demand function. First we need to find out the total revenue to get the marginal revenue. So total revenue is price into output, which will be equal to 60 minus 3x. To this we multiply by x. That will give us the total revenue is, so we have 60 into x is 60x, then minus 3x square. Okay. Now we need to find out the marginal revenue, that is the change in the total revenue due to the change in the output. The derivative of this function with respect to x, derivative of x is 1, so we are left with 60 minus derivative of x square is 2x, so 2 into 3 is 6x. This is our marginal revenue. Now if I show it on the graph, we have output on the horizontal axis, price, marginal revenue, marginal cost on the vertical axis. Now given the demand function, this is called the average revenue function. Inverse demand function is also called the average revenue function. Now we have marginal revenue, it has same intercept as that of the average revenue function, but its slope is twice that of the average revenue function. So this is our marginal revenue function. Now for profit maximization, we equate marginal revenue with marginal cost. So we need to find out the marginal cost also. So marginal cost will be the change in the cost due to the change in the output. The derivative of cost function with respect to x, derivative of a constant, as we know it is equal to 0. Okay, so it's 0. Derivative of x in the second term is 1, so we are left with 12. So our marginal cost is constant. Let us suppose it is here 12, which shows our marginal cost. So for profit maximization, we equate marginal revenue and marginal cost. So in they intersect at this point. So this will give us the corresponding profit maximizing level of output. So equating marginal revenue with marginal cost, this is marginal revenue 60 minus 6x should be equal to 12, which is our marginal cost. So we can write 6x is equal to 60 minus 12 is 48, or x will be equal to 48 upon 6, or x will be equal to, or let me write it here, x will be equal to 6 1s are 6 8s are. So profit maximizing level of output will be 8 units. So we can also find out the, so here the correct option should be B option. If we are supposed to find out the profit maximizing price, plug x is equal to 8 into the inverse demand function. So price will be equal to 60 minus 3 times 8. So which will be 60 minus 3 6 are 18, and it will be something 42, I guess. So 42 will be our profit maximizing price, which is here 42. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. You find out this video helpful. Thank you.